Hola clase, ¿cómo están? Excelente! And welcome to week 3 of our amazing innovative learning series, Learning with Senor Kaka. All right, so now it's time to award the Cowie Award. And there were no comments on the last YouTube video, which means it goes to me for being an amazing teacher. All right, so I accept my award. All right, so remember to comment on that video, see if you can get it. Okay, so first thing, just to let you know, on Fridays are going to be a little bit different from now on. So Monday through Thursday, we're still going to do our regular lessons. On Friday is the time for you guys to catch up on work, come to me for help, and things like that. So starting this Friday, and what we're going to do every Friday, is we're going to do a Google Hangout. So you can video chat with me, you can ask me questions, you can check in, see all that sort of thing. So I will send a link to that in your email before then. Okay, so Monday through Thursday, we're going to practice, we're going to do assignments, turn things in, and then on Fridays is going to be Google Hangout time where you guys can join me, ask me things, check in, that sort of thing. Okay, so remember that. So we don't have to worry about that until Friday. Okay, so let's go ahead and do our warm up for today. Okay, let me switch to this one. Okay, all right. So right now we are using your this, that, these, and those, the lesson we just had. So it says using quiero, say that you want each thing specifically. For example, if you were talking about this picture, you would say, I want this cat. Okay? If you want to say, I want that cat. So I'm going to show you a couple of answers just to get you off on the right foot here. All right, so notice we have gato, which is cat. We have this one, and that one way back there. We have manzanas, which is apples. So you got these, those, and those way over there. And then you have house, which is casa. And you have this, that one, and then that one way over there. Okay? So for example, I'm going to do this one and this one with you. Quiero este gato. I want this cat. Quiero ese gato. I want that cat. Okay? So use your notes. We just took our notes last week. We got those, I believe, on Thursday. All right, so see how you do. And write a sentence for each one using quiero. Go ahead and pause the video now. All right, so I'm just going to say these out loud and then I'll show you them written. So it goes, quiero este gato. Quiero ese gato. Quiero aquel gato. Quiero estas manzanas. Quiero esas manzanas. Quiero aquellas manzanas. Quiero esta casa. Quiero esa casa. Quiero aquella casa. Okay, so there it is written if you need to pause that and check your answers. All right, now since it is Monday, I'm going to briefly go back over your lesson, okay? So what we're using is demonstrative adjectives, okay? It is this, that, these, and those. Okay, so it says demonstrative adjectives and pronouns are used to indicate something specific and exactly how far away that thing or person is from the speaker, the person who's talking, okay? So, for example, if it's as close as it gets, let's say you want to say this boy, este chico. If you want to say that boy, ese chico. And that boy way over there, aquel chico. If you say aquel chico, someone is going to look to the distance because they immediately know how far away this person is. Again, let's do this with casa. Esta casa is this house. Esa casa, that house. And then aquella casa, that house way over there. Now, if we're talking about plural, like boys, estos chicos, esos chicos, aquellos chicos. So if you made some mention of esos chicos, you know, someone would know you're talking about those boys. They're not too far away. They're just right over there. And then let's say it's houses. Estas casas, esas casas, aquellas casas. These houses, and those houses way over there. Okay, so again, make sure these always match in number and gender, just like everything in Spanish. For example, this book, este libro, masculine, singular. Those apples, esas manzanas. Okay, so if it says something like eso manzanas, oh, that's horrible. Redo it. Esas manzanas. Make it match every time. Those houses, aquellas casas. If it were one house, what would it be? Aquella casa. Just one. Okay, and our two little rhymes, this and these, keep the T's, that and those, out it goes. Okay, because if you remember, this and these all have T's, that and those, same thing, but the T has disappeared. And if it starts with A, it's far away. So all of the ones that are far, aquel, aquella, aquellos, aquellas, they all start with A. Okay? And the most important thing, equally as important, which one you choose, este, ese, aquel, depends on how close the speaker is to the object or person. Excuse me. Because the whole point is letting someone know how far away these things are. Okay? So that's it. That was the lesson. Now, for just a moment, I want to do some whiteboard time with you. And we're just going to do it for a minute. We'll just do a few of these. Okay. So you can do this in your mind. You can do it on paper. Whatever you got to do. Okay? The heck? Hold on. Something's gone haywire on us. All right. There we go. Okay. Okay. So how would you say this house? And I'll give you just a minute. Esta casa. Let's make it plural. Let's make it these houses. Estas casas. Esta casa is one. Estas casas is two. All right. What if you want to say that house? It's a little bit further away, but not too far. Esa casa. What if you want to say that house that is very far, the one way over there? Aquella casa. All right, this time let's talk about a group of dogs. All right, let's say, remember we're talking about perros, okay? These dogs. Estos perros. All right, moving a little bit further away, how do you say those dogs? Estos perros. And then what about those dogs way over there? Aquellos perros. Okay? So again, in my opinion, not the most complicated thing. All right, so the last thing is I'm going to assign your worksheet. And this is on my Google Classroom. So as always, you can download it. You can print it out. It doesn't matter. However you want to answer this, okay? Okay, so the sheet has two parts here. And let's make this... Yeah, okay. All right, so at the top part, here you have this little girl. And these are the things that are closest to her. These things are further away. And these things are as far as it gets, okay? So, it says, Petunia wants everything. Write a sentence for each picture of her telling her parents what she wants. Be extra mindful of how far away each item is and the number and gender of each one. Okay? Start every sentence with yo quiero. Because, kids want everything. So she's basically going to say, I want this house, I want these dogs, I want these books. Then she moves further away. I want that banana, I want those shoes, I want that cat. Then she's gonna say, I want that book way over there. I want that pizza way over there. I want those apples way over there. So I've done one for you. So we're talking about this item, and the sentence is simply, Yo quiero esta casa. I want this house. Okay, and then you say, I want these dogs. Okay, now let me see. Let's let's take this down to. Mm, let's do this. I'm trying to make y'all not work too hard. Let's do this. All right, don't worry about the last part. Okay, don't worry about the last part. I'm going to go ahead and tell you in the video. All right, so just do this part like I explained. All right, so I'm going to go back to me. All right, so remember, do that worksheet, turn it in. That'll be another quiz grade for you. On Friday is going to be the Google Hangout at 12 o'clock noon. All right, miss you guys, and I will see you on the next one. Adios.